Hello, friends. Welcome back to Excel Daily Dose. Myself, Dayanand, with the Learn and Earn YouTube channel. So, thank you so much for all your response and the great support for the previous playlist on basic functions. I hope you enjoyed that journey. And we're continuing with our Excel Daily Dose. And now we are getting into more serious concepts, more complex formulae. We are in advanced functions. Let's get started. Excel Daily Dose, advanced functions. Day one, I got if conditions. So what if does is it checks for a condition given and returns one value if the condition is true or returns another value if condition is false. For example, I have set a marks here. So anything more than 35, I would like to say result is pass. Anything less than 35, I would like to call it as fail. Right? Simple passing mark 35. Now, now all I need a simple if function to check whether this number is more than 35 or less than 35, right? Then return pass if it is more than 35 or return fail less than 35. How do we achieve it? Very, very simple. All it requires is three arguments. Number one is the test, the condition itself. Number two, what value you would like to show when it is true. Or number three, what value would you like to show when it is false? Okay, let's see how it should be written. Number one, we must always use the cell reference. It is always good to use a cell reference when it comes to a condition, right? So this is the cell name F4. F4 is F4 is more than or greater than 35. Then use a comma for the argument separator, and the second argument use pass. So anything if this F4 value more than 35, then show pass, else show fail. Simple. So please remember, when you give numbers in the formula, you're okay not to use double quotes, but yes, whenever you use a text, you must enclose them with double quotes, the beginning and at the end. Right? Hope you get these basic concepts correct and press enter. It shows fail. So, let me say more than 35, which is 36, says pass. Less than 35, say 20, it says fail. It is dynamic. As soon as the text value changes, the result also changes. Say the formula is the marks 50, pass. Right? Now, when you say 35, it still says fail. Logically, 35 should be pass number, right? So in order to achieve this, so we quickly need to change the condition we have set. So only condition we are checking whether the F4 is greater than 35. If we were to say greater than or equal to 35, then say pass, otherwise say fail. Let's see happening. Okay, there we go. So 35 is pass. That's all about if you must know. So all you need a condition and a true value and a false value. So we will learn more of this if on the course we continue with our advanced functions, and also with the expert level when I teach you in the next series, we'll be discussing more of if and if error, is error functions. Okay, until then, take care. That's it for today. With if condition, Dayanand signing off with the Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.